we're doing a competition in our Discord within our Danger Close Alpha NFT project, right? Everybody is splitting up into factions, and they're going to be in a competition for 4 weeks, and one faction is going to be the winner. Within that one faction, one person is going to be eligible to take 5 ETH home.
So if you recall, we were looking at this move off of the POC here of this old like consolidation low. And we were saying, looking for right around like 1,600 and some change, local gold pocket, fill in that Q3 in POC. And I was pretty explicit about it. I said, I'm not really interested in putting any more risk into ETH here. If I take that trade, it's going to be more for like a day trade. I'm not looking to hold on to it. Main reason being is you did have some session naked pointy controls beneath us at the Q3 open and an untapped daily down here at 1036. So this is, for the foreseeable, this is your range low for Ethereum. So Ethereum is not broke down yet, which is, you could call that relative strength. I mean, it's a very strong asset in this market in terms of crypto, even though it's down just like any other one. The thing about Ethereum is if you break through these levels, and I think that's, the really big levels right now to be contending with. Like this is a quarterly level. If we got to the quarterly chart, that blue line you guys see there, I believe it's blue, is the Q3 open. And so what you've done is you've established a really nice buying tail here, and you're actually trapping traders below here that were shorting. So now you're seeing it come back test that. And the reason you get a reaction like this is because you now have people that are allowed to get out of their positions that might be able to get out close to break even. It's also just technical support. So you're seeing demand come in there. So you're seeing interactions from new buyers. You're seeing interaction from old sellers that are now able to buy back those positions. Not necessarily an increase in open interest there, but it is a market buy into the market. And then you're going to see people that are shorting into this to fill those positions, because that's what people do, is they short support. So you are seeing a good reaction out of Ethereum. And I did look at the low on Ethereum, and it looks much better than Bitcoin's. So I will say that. So maybe Ethereum is leading a little bit if we were to get an actual low, but until we see any kind of, reclaim, just like Gareth was saying, I don't think we could get that far ahead of ourselves. But the reason it's important to hold these is we talked about the devil's basement back in June. You start losing this, your first targets are going to be the 2021 low, right around $715.80. You have an NPOC at 730. So the drop is going to get underway pretty quick if that happens. So I think that you're probably looking more so down to the $500 range, 528 specifically. Yeah, 528 specifically, but that's only if the support goes. And we've been saying that, support is support until it's not. What you want to be doing is you want to be looking at Bitcoin as it's coming into support or finding its way like a leg up. And you want to see these also at support. And, if you're trading USD pairs or USDT, that's when you can get involved in the move. If you're looking for altcoins, I'm in the same camp as Gareth, though, with altcoins. I'll be upfront with you guys. I'll trade a few of them if the setup is there, but I'm not really looking to accumulate anything just yet. I've already kind of allocated that risk for that section. But until we see a clear directional change on Bitcoin, I don't think it's wise to be putting a lot of my money into some assets that are going to move in greater percentages to the downside or even the upside later. So that's how I'm looking at ETH.